Get the 100 pieces RM065 Variable Resistors with 10 different values in the single kit by PulsEvo, which are great for all sorts of projects. The resistance value of the adjustable resistance can be adjusted manually, and you can adjust it as needed to meet the needs of the circuit. Additionally, you will get the durable plastic storage box, which helps you to always keep the variable resistors organized and to transport the product anywhere, and keep your resistors secured and free from damaging and mixing with other components. These adjustable resistors have a wide range of uses and can be used in household appliances, electronic security, and other industries fields, and you can adjust it as needed to meet the needs of the circuit. You can use these potentiometers in many different ways depending on the specific application and the requirements of the circuit.